Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Flutter social apps inside today we need to create here the chat message user list. We need to develop here the screen. First of all, we need to check inside the HD files. We need to check here. This is the designs. We need to today we need to create here the messages UI. We need to develop this UI today, and with this grouping data we need to set here. We need to no needs this here. We need to remove here like this. Need to this design convert into inside the Flutter today. Let's start how to write down inside the Flutters. First of all, we need to create here the view, create here the new files, and to give these names. Chat view dot dots. Give this name here. Typo here like this. We need to copy here the home screen and to paste this here inside the chats. Need to paste and to rename first of all chat view like this sets here, and need to set here the active array. Need to give this name here and this name array. Then after need to remove this all things no needs now. Now need to give here the back arrow and to set here the navigation pop navigation navigator dot pop events. Need to call this here for the back buttons. Now need to change this here. Need to set as a false. Now we need to set here the titles. We need to give this here the message like this, and to set here the 20, and to give this here user profiles already given here, and remove this equations. Need to set as a 0 like this sets. Now first of all need to create here the divider. Create here the row, set here, and to create another dividers need to develop here. To paste this here like this, and to give here the search icons. First of all need to give this here the padding. Horizontal paddings need to give symmetric padding. Horizontal give here the 20 like this set here. And now need to first of all need to create here the search icons. Need to use here the image assets. Now need to copy this here and to give here the search icons. Need to go inside assets image and to select here the image relative path and to give this here and to set here the 25. Now we need to create here the text fields and to decorations give this here box decorations, not box input decorations, and to give here the border enables borders. Need to input borders. Need to give this here the none. Then after need to focus borders. Need to give here the input border none. Need to set this here and to set here the int text. Need to give this here search message like this. And now need to set here the const value, give here the comma. Now need to set here the hint styles. Maybe need to copy here the styles and need to give this here that as a placeholder. Secondary text need to give this here like, and need to select here the font 13 medium 500, and to remove this const value and to create here the expanded and to give here the size box with space and to give the 15 like this. Set here and now we need to create here another buttons. Need to develop here the icon button. And to give this here the filter buttons like this sets here, and to give this here search copy relative path, paste this here, and not search need to give here filter. Sorry for that. Like this set here, and first of all the comment this code no needs because we need to remove this array here, and to change here the active and one more property we need to needs here set go years. We need to write down here the tool is active and to the property is active we need to set by default as a false. It sets, and now need to convert inside the stack. Need to create here the wrap this widgets with here, and need to set here the stack, and to give these alignments need to set alignment top right. Need to give this here like this. Create here the brackets like this setting. Now needs here our page. Need to copy inside here the common widgets recommended cells to go inside the user row, and we to need this one containers, and to go recommended cells, and to set this here this value here. Give this here is active, and to set as a 20. Save this here. Now need to is active, need to give this here true, set like this value here, and need to configure this UI to remove this here home row no needs. Copy here chat view, inside we need to go inside home view, and to give this here the chats buttons inside we need to set here the click events. Now need to set here the navigator dot push, set here the page routes, and to set here the context set const, set this value like this. Set here the now need to click here, get this. Suppose need to fix this issue. Need to set here the 20. Now this is the displaying goods, and to fix here the padding. Like this, you need to set this here and to attach this here and to create its done. And now need to develop here the this bottom UI. We need to first of all develop, then afterwards need to develop this UI. I have already prepared this array. Need to put this here. First of all, need to give this here array the my chat list array. Need to give this here, and to explain, first of all need to copy here and need to paste this here like this. First of all need to create here the name, then after to last message, after need to give here the user image is online offline, so need to give this here flags, and then after need to times need to give this here, and is this the group or not group. Like this is the last message as a group. Need to create here the multiple image, set this here like this array. We need to develop, and another array we need to put this here the my groups array. We need to give this here. Now need to copy here and paste this here the code, and this is the my group array. And to give here the names, user image you need to give here, and times members and commits you need to give this here the value needs here for inside these tables. First of all you need to create here the stack. Need to develop first, need to develop here the this UI last one, then after we need to create here the my chats UI need to develop. First of all need to needs here the dividers, and to copy here and to paste this like here the containers const value, and to this here. Now to create here the text, need to copy here the recommended uh, active text. Need to copy here this here, and need to paste this here like set here, and to give this here the name, and to set here font 19 mediums. Need to set this here. See here the symmetric horizontals. Need to give here the 20, and verticals need to give this here the 8. This here like this value. To give this here alignment, text alignments set as a left. But now we need to Here the cross axis alignment, that is a start this here. Now we need to copy here this active array. We need to needs here. Copy this size box and to put this here, and to give this here the array as a my group array. I need to here, and now need to copy this recommended cells. Need to copy suppose all data. Need to copy here, so create new widgets to give this here the group cell. But dots create. Now need to paste and to rename this here, set as a group cell, and to directive. Now need this image logic no needs. Now give this here, change this here, users is set name, copy these cells and to replace with here the recommended. Put this here group cells, that has an object and this name. Put this here. Now need to save and displaying here the names. Suppose need to set here the UI logics. We need to needs here. Suppose need to go inside the cells to give this here the cell width, 165. Give this here the width, and now we need to the cross axis alignment. Main axis alignments need to this here the center, and first of all need to develop here the box decorations. Create here the decorations. Need to create here the box decorations. First of all give the colors whites. Need to give this here, and after need to set here the border radius. Circulars, set here the pi. Then after need to set here the box shadow, and to box give these colors back 12. Border radius unit, need to is here the 3. No needs here the set here the offset. Bottom text bottom display, that here give here the 2. This set here, this here. Now displaying goods, and to give here the verticals need set here the 3, and box are the displaying goods. Now need to set the padding. Pages set metric, need to give walls, that is a 8, and now need to set here the center, and to give here the maximum line 2, need to pass this here. First of all need to copy here and to paste this here, and means need to give here the height space. We need to give here set as a 4, const value, and to give here the time property that as line 1, and to set this here the font 11 regulars need to set this here, and to 14 mediums need to set this here. Semibold like this need to see here. Now need to use again space. Now need to get here the divider. Black, and then after need to tens need to set here 8, and intents need as well as need to set here 8, that as a like this here. Now need to increase here the, let's give this members and commits value need to give, need to copy here, paste this here the value, right here the member, this value here, and to this here, go inside the chat view, reads here the counts members and commits need to list the 2 key. The person to give here the members, the officers need to give this here the comments. Here text, but here this here text here set as a comments. This text set this here. It forced me to increase this height. Now we need to go inside the chat view and to set here 160. It is, and now more imports here the Avatar Stack widgets need to import here in swap space. It to opens here the is text need to needs here, need to copy install link, we need to copy here and to paste inside the swap space and install this plugins here for the user stack. Like this we need to set here and to create here the avatar. Go here, these examples need to mains inside, we need to select here the widgets, cover tag, like this needs here, copy to integrate here, go inside the group cells and to pull the gets here the images, is equal to object get here string Now need to check these key names inside the chat view. Use here the image. Like this. And now need to create here this UI. First of all, need to write here the widgets. Avatar Stack. Maybe use this here the widget stack. This here. Leave here the settings. Now no needs here into this here. I need to return here the widgets here. Here is here the image. Yep. Here the two and two. Done. Then first of all need to go inside the recommended cells and to copy this avatar. This here. And to give this here the image name. Add this back. And to set here the pin. Give this here height and width and set here the 20. Set here the color. Now need to get the 20. Get the 8. Like this, set here the value and to set this years. Need to check here the errors. For that, restart this UI. Maybe issue with here the restrict positions. Need to check. Twist other. Now here the displaying goods, no any issue. To check our designs. Or now need to give this here the box shadow. See it? Set as the one and to see offset to set here to 28. Here the borders. Also have to give this here color white. And to give this here the border width, you need to give here the 2. Now this is the displaying goods. To decrease this height. To give this here the width 140. 120 you need to set this here and to give this here the height space. Size box you need to give this here give here the height as I need to set here for like this set here, and this is the displaying goods. I need to decrease this displaying gears like this, increase this here and put this here, no any issue. Change these colors as a need to set as a white, not white, need to primary text colors need to see here. Now displaying goods and to increase this here the 8. Now goods this UI And now need to create here the my chat view. Need to develop this UI. First of all, need to create here the new widgets and to write down here the user chat. Dot need to create. We need to create here the template widgets. Give here the user chat pro. And need to import here the material dependency. Now need to create here the row. Create here containers. Graph with containers. Set here the height. Need to give this here the 17. Now to create here children's, need to go inside the home row and to copy here the first row and to paste this here finals and to set this here's object to pass here the map. Now to set this here's and to give here the click events on void callback. Give here the on press like this and to import here these functions. Set here the colors and to set this size this here here give this here the last message over here and to paste this here like now need to remove this here nodes. Here the size box that is going to give here the alignment is set as a center. Now need to go inside our the chat view and to uncommit this code. Now need to set here the my chat array to replace with this here and to change this here the user chat row with this like this value here. Check some property. Need to give this here the horizontal. Need to set this here the 20 and then after need to set this titles copy false and to set here and to create here the row and to give here the x elements. Need to give this here the space betweens. Now need to create this here the my chat. Now need to create here buttons and to give this here the edit. Suppose need to go here and to copy this edit image relative path and to paste this here and to give this here the width and heights. Need to set here the 20 and height is here the 20. Like this set here. Here shoe. Where related here issue. Share to create here the row inside row. That's why. This years. Run again. Start. Need to set here conditions. Check here is group. Need to check first of all. You need to copy here. Paste this here and to give this here the value as a check here the group or not. With the boolean by the person to set here the false. Wrong place and change this whole thing. Go inside the chat row. This here check here. Copy here and to paste this here and to get here edge array. And to get list and to do this here. Now need to check here if group and to give this here the avatars need to go copy this here and to paste inside the chats. What's here the and needs here the this settings. Like this, set this here. Here this. And now need to select here view. Show it like casting to set here conditions. Start this. No any errors here consoles. Now need to check against and to playing here this UI and to increase this height. That as a 50. Need to check that as a 40. Now need to check here the title fonts. In medium need to set this here, and after the last message inside 15 medium, regular not medium. And to one more things need to here analysis set as a center. Now need to wrap here row. Expanded setting to give this here the text. To give this here the time. But in regulars need to see here. Image need to create here the row with wrapped to expand these widgets. Expanded, and to give this here the online set here the bool. By default need to set as false like this. Copy this text and to this here. To set these conditions, the dot conditions need to need this here. And to paste this here, that is a fixed text active, and need to set here colors. The past as a base colors need to set this here, and this is the displaying goods, no any issue. I need to increase this here. Of these containers and get the T and to increase this here. Now this is the displaying goods, no any issue. Maybe you need to decrease this size. Now this is the displaying goods now. And one more thing, so we need to set here the bottoms. Set view, and to give this here the some bottom space. Like this, save here. And one more things to match it inside. Move this vertical. Now this is the displaying goods, no any issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.